Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy. Welcome back to my channel. And today was such an anti-climatic budget day, right? Bank Nifty not really moving a lot, giving spikes in between, but basically not really moving a lot, right? Last budget, if you see, Bank Nifty did so much momentum. Nifty even worse. Nifty after giving this initial up move was just so, it just moved in 100 points, right? Most of the day it just spent in these 100 point range from 20 on 800 to 20 on 700. So that means today the budget that was expected to bring some move in the market did not bring any sort of move, right? So what can we do for tomorrow? Again, I also had a little bit of loss, not a very big much. Not a very big loss, so I'm just going to show you guys what the loss was. So if you see, I sold the 45,500 call option over here. If I could go into Bank Nifty and show you guys, I sold it somewhere over here when the market was somewhere over here. If I could show you the exact candle, I sold it somewhere in these candles over here when the market was taking rejection, and then basically market didn't really go anywhere, and I took a very small stop loss of just 30 points over here, which is very much all right as compared to if you see the volatility that was happening today. Premiums were moving very very fast, right? So having a 30 point SL in a day like this is very much all right, right? So anyways, what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now if we see this level 45,800 to 45,700, let's say 45,800 to 750 is going to be a very important zone. Market should not go below this zone, because if the market starts going below this zone, that means then the thing will start becoming bearish very fast, and then we can see new low being made in the market. So tomorrow, if we see that the market is breaking 45,800 and starting to make negative price action below 45,800, that is when we'll go ahead and take a short position. But please wait for negative price action, proper negative price action. Just do not go ahead and short once you see a candle like this, big candle like this forming, right? Wait for proper lower lows to be formed in 5 minute chart, and then go ahead and take a short position, right? Below 45,750 is where we want negative price action to form properly, right? Because this is zone from where buying has come many times. So now if the market goes below that zone, that is when things will start becoming bearish very fast, and that is where also I will go ahead and start taking short positions again. I'm still a little bearish and bearish on the market. I do not feel like you know this is a complete reversal. Still the market can continue to go down. Again, I might be wrong over here, but until unless this is properly taken out, this high is properly taken out, I'm not really sure of going extremely long or aggressively long over here. Yes, you could have taken a long position over here because market had made a trap over here, basically, if you see, right? But anyway, keeping that aside, what can we do for tomorrow? As I said, below 45,750, once we see negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. Again, your target will be, first target will be 45,000, 45,500, and then you can keep 45,200 also for tomorrow. Then the market most probably could take a little bit of support over here, because this is a buying zone. So the market could take a little bit of support and then break down on the next day or in the coming days in the next week, and go down and make a new low over here also. So one thing that should happen over here, that should not happen for the bulls over here, is that we should not open with a gap down below 46,000, right? If we start opening below with a gap down below 46,000, as I said, make negative price action, then the bulls will be in pressure, and then we will see a very very good sell off on the downside. However, if we hold this level over here itself, if you open flat, or let's say even if you open the gap down below 46,000 but above 45,800, and then we recover very quickly and consolidate over here, then above 46,250, that is where you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Your target will be 46,500 on the upside. That will be a first target, and then 46,600, right? Because if market has waited a lot of time over here, right now, if it moves, it will again give us such sort of a momentum on the upside also, and then we can easily see 46,500 and 46,600 also. But if you see that the market goes about basically today's high, and it is not sustaining and starting to make negative price action at higher levels also, please try to uh, tighten your stop loss, or at least reduce your risk a little bit, because if the market has to go, it will go up very fast from here also. It will not really wait for a long time. right? If in between over here we can't really do anything, so in this 400 point range you will need to wait. Does the market break on the lower side or does the market break on the higher side, right? So that is for Bank Nifty. Talking about Nifty, if you see Nifty again is looking a little less bullish as compared to Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty, if you see, has a proper setup over here, so Bank Nifty can give us a good momentum. So only for tomorrow Nifty is looking a little less bullish, because the next resistance at 21,800, right? So market has only 100 point range from here. So again, you one thing that you can do over here is going to be that if market opens with a little bit of gap up somewhere near 740, 750, all these levels, and then if it is coming down till 21,700 and starting to make positive price action, maybe making higher and maybe making a double bottom, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 21,800. But again, 21,800, market will need to wait a little bit of time over here near 21,800, and then it will need to go up till 22,000. That is one thing that can happen. Or what can happen is that market, if market consolidates near this level itself, or market waits for some time near 21,700 and then starts moving up, then we probably won't even wait over here and break out and go up till 22,000, where we could see this gap being filled very easily. So if you open with the gap up, please do not go ahead and buy very fast over here. Maybe market might go up, put up a spike like this or spike like this, and then again come down. So if you are getting market at lower levels, only then go ahead and buy. Or if you're seeing that market is consolidating very much at 21,800 and then it is breaking out on the higher side, at least wait for an hour of consolidation, hour or two of consolidation, and then if market is breaking out and staying decisively about 21,830, for safety you can take about 21,840. That is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Your target will be straight up 22,000 on the upside, because then this gap will be filled over here, and then maybe market might take a little bit of resistance, and then we could see what we can do for the coming week, right? If we are straight up opening with a gap up about 21,800, still wait for a little bit of at least correction till 21,780 or 21,780 to 760, right? If the market is then taking support from this zone, that is when we can again go ahead and take a bullish trade from here itself, because then chances are market might not fill this gap over here and continue to move up from there itself, right? On the downside, 21,650 is going to be very important. If we start sustaining below 21,650 and start making negative price action, that is when we can see a little bit of, again, we can see retracement back till 21,530. But then I think that if we do not see very fast recovery like this from 21,530 to 500 levels, that is when we can see market going back down to 21,400 also very easily, because then 21,500 has been tested so many times that now it will not really act as a very good support on the downside, and then we can expect market to reach 21,400, 360 also very easily in the coming week, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and I hope you guys like my analysis. Again, budget didn't really happen, and again it was also sort of expected, but then also sort of unexpected that we would not see such a such a calm budget day, right? Anyways, for I hope you guys understand what you can do for tomorrow, and I hope you guys like my analysis, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.